In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customers and sub-customers in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a small business or handling accounts for multiple clients, setting up your customer hierarchy correctly in QuickBooks can truly streamline your workflow. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to sign into QuickBooks Online. Head over to your web browser and navigate to the login page. Click the Sign In button. If you have multiple Intuit accounts, make sure you select QuickBooks Online from the options presented. Enter your credentials, your email or user ID and your password, then click Continue to access your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're into your QuickBooks account, you'll be on the dashboard. Look for the sidebar on the left and head to the Sales tab. This is where you'll find options related to what we need to do next. Click on it to bring up all the sales related features. Within the Sales tab, you'll see the Customers section. Go ahead and click on Customers. This will bring you to a new page, displaying your existing customer list along with quick access options to work with them. In the upper right corner of the Customers page, you'll see a button labeled New Customer. Clicking this will open the form where you can input all the essential information about your new customer. Firstly, enter the customer's first name, then their middle name, and finally their last name. If your customer is associated with a business or organization, it's crucial to enter that in the company name field. Now it's time to create a reference name for the customer, as they will appear within your QuickBooks Online account. This is known as the customer display name. Ensure it's something easily identifiable. For adding sub-customers, check the box labeled is a sub-customer. QuickBooks uses this feature to allow precise tracking and categorization under a parent customer. After you check this box, you'll have the option to specify the parent customer. Go ahead and select the appropriate customer from the drop-down menu. This step is particularly useful for businesses dealing with customers who have multiple project accounts or divisions. After you've filled in all the necessary information, make sure to review it for accuracy. This way you can avoid any mix-ups or errors down the road. Once you're satisfied with everything, just click the Save button at the bottom of the form, and that's it. You've successfully added a customer and possibly a sub-customer to your QuickBooks Online account. Implementing this method will make your customer management not only more organized but also more efficient. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.